Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new to me, kindly click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge so that you don't miss anything on this channel. In this video, I will be explaining how to cast Ifa with Opele. In my previous video, I explained how to cast Ifa with Ikin. If you are interested in the video, it's at the end screen of this video. Ikin and Opele are the two major items that are used to cast Ifa to reveal any of the 256 Odu Ifa. So, this video will explain how to cast Ifa with Opele to reveal any of the 256 Odu Ifa in order for you to have the basic knowledge of how to cast Ifa and to understand the wisdom behind it. Also, it is important to briefly tell you what Odu Ifa means. Ifa is a Yoruba religion and system of divination. There are 16 major chapters in Ifa known as Odu Ifa. Each major 16 Odu Ifa has 16 verses each. So when combined, there are a total of 256 Odu that are believed to reference all situations, circumstances, action, and consequences in life. If you want to know more about the 16 major Odu Ifa, a video is equally at the end screen of this video. So, what is Opele? An Opele is a divination chain used to cast Ifa in Yoruba religion or Ifa religion. The Opele consists of 8 half knots known as Opele seeds with concave sides linked at regular intervals by short strands of chain at the ends of which the priest may attach small beads, coins, and cowries. Babalawos and Iyanifas use Opele in order to communicate with the Orisha of wisdom, knowledge in the Yoruba tradition known as Orunmila. The Opele is the major divination tool used by Babalawo for Ifa divination. It is believed to be an assistant of Orunmila. Opele communicates Orunmila's desires to the Babalawo, who casts Ifa with it, and from the Babalawo back to Orunmila. Opele is an alternative way to cast Ifa when Ikin is not used. For divination regarding important revelations about a client, or for every important decisions. Babalawos use Ikin because it is considered to be the physical representation of Orunmila. So, here is how to use Opele to cast Ifa. First of all, the Babalawo holds the chain at the center and then swings the chain gently, laying it on the cloth, usually white cloth or mat, on which he is seated. In a single motion, he creates a pattern which refers to an Odu Ifa, that is one of the 256 Odu Ifa. Then the Babalawo begins to chant the verse to reveal the message. This pattern revealed with Opele is equivalent to the pattern of parallel marks made with Iyerosum on an Opon Ifa when using Ikin to cast Ifa. This is the thing. When Opele is placed on the cloth or the mat, you will check the numbers of Opele's knots opened on the left and right, and the numbers closed on the left and the right. This determines the Odu Ifa revealed. For instance, if all the 4 knots on the right face up, that is opened, and the 4 knots on the left face down, that is closed, it means this is an Ejiogbe revelation. Or when all the 4 knots on both sides face down, it means Odu Ifa Oyeku Meji. Please note that only qualified Babalawos and Iyanifas cast Ifa. This video is made to educate lovers of Yoruba religion or Ifa religion on the beauty of the religion, and to prove to the world that Ifa is not evil. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click on the red subscribe button down below to subscribe to my channel free of charge, so that you don't miss anything on this channel. Until we see again, get a better life.